Alright guys, so today we're showing you how to prepare ackee, and this is what the ackee pods look like when they're open and ready to eat. So what we normally do is we remove them from the pods. Remove the seeds. There's this red membrane that's inside. You just use your paring knife to remove that. Some people say it's poisonous. I have not experienced that. You'll notice that we have some boiling water on the side, and I always believe that things that are grown above ground, that you actually end up starting them off in hot water as opposed to in cold. We have about 4 cups of water in this pot, and what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add some onions, aromatics for want of a better term, and that just includes everything that's going to flavor that water, both with fragrance and taste. So now that all the ackee is cleaned up, we're just going to be required to flavor the water. And to this we're going to add a half teaspoon of ginger, 2 heaping teaspoons of onions. You can use scallions as well if you'd like. I actually believe scallion gives a really interesting flavor, actually keeps it quite interesting to Jamaica. And we have about a half teaspoon of chopped Scotch bonnet peppers. About a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh thyme. 1/4 teaspoon of chopped garlic. And about 6 whole allspice berries or pimento. And we have about 4 or 5 cloves in here as well. I'm going to add 1 bay leaf to this. And again, this is about 4 cups of water, and we're just going to season that to taste. I want to make sure that it's nice and seasoned, not salty, but it should taste like something you could eat once it comes out of the water. We always taste as we go along to make sure that we're actually getting the flavors that we want, and that's great. Thanks. So now just to add the ackees, and it shouldn't take too long to cook. They normally take about 5 to 7 minutes. And you want to take care not to overcook them. Remember, ackee is a fruit, and so it really will cook pretty quickly. So we're just gonna have that sit there for a little while and poach slowly.